Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by making sure a local dev server is running. This is the live source for previews. Create a Vite or CRA project, install node modules, then start the server with npm run dev or npm start. Once done, note the exact localhost URL and port shown in your terminal. Make sure your app compiles without errors so the preview can render. These steps give you a fast, refreshing bundle. This is what the Vscode preview will connect to. You now connect Vscode to that running dev server using a preview extension. Install Live Preview or Browser Preview, then open the command palette and pick the appropriate Open Preview command. Once done, paste or set the running localhost URL into the preview input so it loads your app. Make sure to choose a port that matches the dev server. If the extension offers an embedded browser, use it to see hot reloads. This ties your editor to the live output for immediate feedback. Finish by ensuring hot module replacement is active so edits reflect instantly. Vite does this by default. CRA may need configuration. Make sure the preview extension points at your workspace root and the correct port. If the preview shows nothing, check the terminal and browser console for build or CORS errors. Restart the dev server, reload the preview, and clear caches if needed. If that fails, disable other extensions that might block web views. One good tip: restart both the server.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.